Jai Hind, Team Innovate Nexus welcomes you. Imagine drinking water from your school tap and falling sick the next day. Scary, right? This happens because nobody checks if the water in our tanks is safe to drink. We created Jal Rakshak, which means water protector, under the theme Samrit Bharat and category water. Every day, thousands of students drink water from school tanks, traveler drink from railway station taps, hospital patient depend on tank water. But who checks if the water is clean? Long time of dust, dirt and bacteria growing inside. Yet everyone drank from it because the water looked clear. Clear water does not always mean safe water. Our research journey said we spoke to health officials who told us about children getting sick from dirty water. We talked to hostel wardens who wanted a simple way to check water quality without climbing tank every day. Teacher explained that common people do not understand technical terms like TDS or pH levels. They need simple messages like water safe or not. All these feedback shape our solution. Jal Satak is a smart device that constantly checks the quality of stored water. When the water is clean, it shows water safe. If contamination is detected, it gives instant alert through a red warning, buzzer, and automatic message to automobiles. It helps ensure that people always get safe drinking water in school, hospital, and public places. Jal Rakshak protects children, elderly people, and patients from drinking unsafe water. It prevents disease before they happen, not after people fall sick. School, hospital, and railway station and apartment can use it. The best part, authority get instant alert and can use it and take action before anyone drink contaminated water. This saves lives, reduce hospital visits, and build trust in public water facilities. Clean water is not luxury; it is basic right. When just that we can ensure every glass of water from public tank in India is safe to drink. Thank you.